Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use a Lua AI chat. Yes, they also have a chat that you can utilize. So not only can you use a Lua AI to generate images or text to video, but you can utilize a chat, something like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude to basically chat with their AI chat, right? So all you have to do, guys, once you at a Lua AI, on the upper left hand side, you have video, you have audio, and you have chat. Simple click on chat. It's going to open up a new window. And here you can see they have their own AI. So you can go ahead and start playing around with this chatbot here by simple ask it. Okay, I can ask it what is chat GPT, for example, right? And just see what it says. It's gonna tell you what it is. It's gonna ask you to sign in. If you're not yet signed in, all you have to do is just simple sign in with your Gmail account. It requires a Gmail account, so sign in and you'll be able to continue working with this chat. So as you can see, it is giving me what it thinks, and that's all there is to it. You can go ahead and you can stop the prompt when you're ready, and it's basically that, guys. Very useful. You can also find your chat history on the left hand side here. If you click here, you can see your chat history here. You can see your favorites and so much more. And on top of that, guys, if you want to go ahead and, let's say, utilize dark mode, you can see on the upper right hand side that you can turn this into dark mode. And that's it. Very easy and very simple how to use a Lua AI chat. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time, guys.